This is the new curfew time where people for turn at them yard. From Wednesday, May 13 to Sunday, May 24, people for there them yard from 8 o'clock at night till 5 o'clock in the morning. When Sunday, May 24 come round, one new curfew time I go come in. People for turn at them yard 3 o'clock Sunday afternoon, right back till 8 o'clock Monday morning. On Monday, May 25, one different time I go come in. The curfew I go start 3 o'clock Monday afternoon and it I go run till 5 o'clock Tuesday morning. But people for know say when Tuesday come, this is the new time when people for turn at them yard. People for stay home from 9 o'clock at night till 5 o'clock in morning, and this I go stay in till May 31. What go happen to the church them? This is what go happen. From Saturday, May 16, church can start keep again, but everybody must stay at least 40 square foot from them one another, and that about 6 foot distant. The church have to check people temperature before them can come in at the church building, and place must stay there for people wash and sanitize them on. People have to wear masks when time them in at the church. No more than 10 somebody supposed to get up in at the churchyard, and they must be at least 6 foot distant from them one another. Church must lock off the AC and open the window and door them. We're going to try them things here for 2 weeks and see how things go. The 2 weeks are not just for church alone. Come Tuesday, May 19, bar are going to open back for 2 weeks. No more than 5 somebody for in at the bar one time, and the bartender must count in at 5 days. People in a bar for give themselves some space and turn at least 6 foot distant from them one another. Poker box and game box for the 6 foot apart too. No domino game or no game where more than one somebody have to play or no round robin supposed to keep. The door and window them for open and everybody in the bar must mask up. If bartender can wear clothes to protect themselves, that would have good. Bar have to have place for wash or sanitize them on. On top of that, them have to put up sign with the rule them. What happened down at St. Mary? On Monday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said people in the part of St. Mary will lock off, can go road from 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon on them day. Wednesday, May 13, Friday, May 15, Saturday, May 16, Monday, May 18, and Wednesday, May 20. People were 65 years old and over, people with a baby in a belly, or were disabled, are going to need somebody for go with them and help them. Market in the part of St. Mary will lock off for 10 lock. Bank, other money place where sell food, place where sell medical things, or things that people can use to clean, can open from 9 o'clock in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Them can open them there. Wednesday, May 13, Friday, May 15, Monday, May 18, and Wednesday, May 20. Supermarket, corner shop, and other food place must sell food on the shopping day them, and them can stock up back them goods on the other day them. Cook shop and so can sell food from 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon on the shopping day. But nobody not supposed to sit down in the place them and eat. The Minister of Health, Christopher Tufton, said the National Health Fund are going in the part of St. Mary will lock off so people can fill them prescription from 9 o'clock in the morning till 12 o'clock, middle day, on 3 different days. Them are got there Enfield on Tuesday, Dover Thursday, and Nata Bay Saturday. That a broadcast Jamaican with a translation of what the government say.